I love sea creatures.
I just told you we met at the what's now called the
That was
Avalon.
that's the
across
first.
street, and you brought me out. And after I did my set, it was a really weird taping. With
The Jeff Richards show.
Oh,
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my
Perception. Extrasensory perception basically means that all your sensories, your auditory, optical, olfactory, tactile, and gustatory, all that means is you see, smell, taste, touch, and you hear, it's augmented and modified.
You should tell it. Oh, okay. Remember what you do with the catering?
In basketball.
no, they assumed I was with the circuit.
Where inspires you?
Who, what, where? Who inspires me? My wife inspires me. We're locked in.
It's pretty on the nose.
Pretty on the nose. Some people say I have a cute nose. You got a.
I've never been told I have a cute nose.
No, have you ever?
Happened their life. You know, honey.
Extrasensory perception.
Here I go.
No.
I got into composing and arranging music.
You ready to?
It's my show.
Killing it for you, boy.